Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Paul Nyaroso. If it's your first time you're visiting my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to enable notifications so that when I post another video, you'll be notified. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you on how to fix a faulty keyboard in just simple steps. Over here, I'm having two keyboards which are input devices. These are King type of input device. So this keyboard is faulty and this other one is working. So I'm going to show you on how to fix a faulty keyboard. So before we disassemble the keyboard, the first thing you have to know the elements in your keyboard down so you can identify the faulty part. So guys, let's fix this faulty keyboard. So guys, we're going to disassemble this faulty keyboard and identify where the error may be. So these are now disassembling these things. So open all the nuts and view the inside of the keyboard. So guys, this is now inside my faulty keyboard. So as you can see, this part over here, you have these three parts here. So when I connect them to the computer, even when I place or any key, this part doesn't blink. So it means that this part here, this region is now faulty. So what you do, you just have to replace it with another keyboard. So if they are compatible, replace it. And this other part, so as I've dealt with many computers, I don't see this other part being faulty, only this parts being faulty. So you replace it with another computer. So what you do, just check to see the spoiled part. But the best thing, if you have another keyboard that's working, you can again just change. So you're going to change this thing and fix it with another one. So guys, again you turn to this other keyboard and remove these parts. As you can see, this part is now the faulty one, so you replace with the other one. So guys, as you can see, these two parts, so we now interchange that one that is faulty and replace it with the other one that's now working. So this is now the working part, the working one, so you replace it with this one. So we let that one on the other side. So we fix it, this new one at this point, and then you see it working. So viewers, this is now the thing. So we just interchange it and replace it with this one. So we're now replacing this part with this one. So this is how we just fix it. The nice point. So there you go. So you replace all the nuts and all the parts. So we have now replaced it. So again, you just turn this top part of the keyboard. Then that's you've now done it. So what you do now, remove this tag. Let me remove this thing. Our keyboard is now working. So it's no longer faulty. So, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more computer solutions. Thanks for watching.